Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Kai Tech. Today I wanted to talk about 5 features that you may have not known your iPhone could do. So I hope I can help someone out. Let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's jump right into our features. So our first feature is a haptic keyboard. So what we're going to want to do to enable this is just go to our settings app. We're going to want to go to sounds and haptics. Go down a little bit to keyboard feedback. Now I already have this on, but you're going to want to make sure haptic is enabled under keyboard feedback. And what this will basically do is when you type on your keyboard on your phone, it'll feel like you're typing. It'll give you a little vibrational feedback. So that's a really nice feature that I like to keep on in my phone. Now guys, another feature that's pretty cool is if we go into our Notes app. Sometimes you accidentally delete something that you've wanted, or you make a change that you really shouldn't have done. So all you gotta do is do a 3-finger swipe back on your phone, and it'll undo the change you've just made. Now, if you want to redo that change, all you gotta do is do a 3-finger swipe forward, and it'll redo that change you've just made. Now, our third feature is really cool, and it was actually recently introduced. So if you're ever in a photo, and you don't like the background in a photo, but you want to copy the object in the photo, all you gotta do is hold down on that object, and then either you'll get the option to copy or share. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna move over to something like notes or messages or wherever I wanna paste it to. And then I'm gonna simply paste it. So now the object is in there, but not the background. So that's really cool. I really enjoy using this feature. Now here's another pretty cool feature. If you go into the Notes app and you start drawing something, if you're drawing something like a shape, I'm gonna draw a square, and then I hold down at the end, it'll make it a perfect square. I can do this with multiple shapes, and it's really cool. I love this feature so much. It just makes it so much more fun and useful. Now, the times you're drawing in this is more rare, but it's really fun to use. Now here's another cool feature. If you've ever wanted to get a photo to another app a more time-efficient way, all you gotta do is hold down at that photo and start dragging it. Now with another finger, go up and go to your home screen. Get into the app that you wanted to import it in, and then just drop it right there. It's really cool and really easy to use. So if you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more iOS content. Till next time, I'll see you guys.